We people sometimes have this yearning, if we had been in the lifetime of a very great saint like Shankaracharya, like the Buddha, like Ramanujacharya, how would it have been? Well, the fact is that we were in the lifetime of the Jagat Guru Tam in the history of Bharatvarsh, Jagat Guru Sri Kripaluji Maharaj. We benefit from a grace to the extent that we realize it. Kripaluji Maharaj was honored as the fifth original Jagat Guru in Indian history and also Jagat Guru Tam. The Kashi Vidvat Parishad also conferred upon him the title of Bhakti Yoga Rasa Avatar, the dissension of the divine love bliss of Bhakti. Let us contemplate on the Guru Tattva today through one of his kirtans. This is Sankirtan Madhuri, page number 143. Jaya Sadguru Maharaj Jayati Jaya.
Jaya Sadguru Maharaj Jayati Jaya.
Jaya Sadguru Maharaj Maharaj Jayati Jaya.
Jaya Sadguru Maharaj Jayati Jaya.
Jayati Jaya.
Jayati Jaya.
Jayati Jaya.
Jayati Jaya.
Jagat Guru Shankaracharya said there are three very special graces of God. They are attained by His causeless mercy. Durlabham trayamevaitat daiva nugraha karakam manushyatvam mumukshutvam mahapurusha sambhavaha. The first grace all of us have received. This is the human form. The second grace is the hunger for God. There are so many human beings who are not interested. And yet, you people have left so many things to come here to spend your time chanting the glories of God. This means you have the hunger for Him. So having received the human form and also the hunger for God is not enough. Narad Ji says in his Bhakti Darshan, Mukhyatastu Mahat Kripayaiva Bhagavat Kripa Leshadva. The divine love that you want, you attain it mukhya, mainly through the Guru's grace. God helps you meet the Guru, and after that it's the Guru who bestows the grace. Shankaracharya said, Kim Durlabham? What is rare in this world? And the answer he supplied was Satguru Rasti Loke. To get a Satguru, a true Guru, is what is very rare. And if somebody thinks, can I attain God without having found a Guru? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, Mahat kripa binu kan karma bhakti nahi. Without the grace of the Guru, you can do yoga, yajna, japa, tapa, vrata, puja. It will not suffice. In fact, Prahlad Maharaj went to the extent of saying, Naisham matistavadurukkramangrim sprishatyanartha pagamo yadartha mahiyasam padarajobhishekam nishkinchananam navrinita yavat. He says that look, you can do all the sadhans you like until you anoint yourself in the foot dust of the saint, the Guru. You can't even touch the spiritual realm. Because your sadhans are all material and God is divine, His realm is divine. How will you reach that divine realm? You will need the Guru's grace. So, the world, the whole planet was blessed by the presence of an exceptional saint. Saints like him come very rarely once in a while. In their time, not so many people realize who they are. When they have gone, their prachar spreads amongst millions, tens of millions, hundreds of millions. And such a saint was Kripaluji Maharaj. He said that people will one day learn Hindi just to understand my Prem Ras Madira. And when I used to preach in Odisha, I saw, in front of my eyes, the people in Odisha, the people in Nepal, people in Gujarat, they started learning Hindi just to understand the Prem Ras Madira. When I first began Prachar, I was in Kanpur. So there was an old satsangi of Maharajji's, the time when he used to have few satsangis. She was relating an episode that once she was going from Kanpur to Maharajji's ashram by train. And when she reached the station, the train had already started moving from the platform. And she had a big trunk with her. And what to do? She sees the train has started moving. A big Sardarji came. He lifted the trunk, the coolie, the porters. He lifted the trunk and put it in the train and lifted her and put her in the train. And when she went to meet Maharajji, now of course she was able to reach properly. So Maharajji said, Shanti, tell them what happened. So she said, tell more. She said, Arey, tell them about that Sardarji Kuli who had come. So, the Guru is gracing in so many ways. We want to understand the Guru Tattva so that we realize the importance of this Guru Tattva and grow our love for the Guru. Jaya Sadguru Maharaj Jayati